this panel right here, cable can only reach to right there. Let's change that. Ooh, sun. I always forget my tools, but not today, Jason. Now, hopefully, this dip just comes right out. One down. Hey, two down, no problems. Hey, good job, HQST and whoever this cable is from. Oh, I did say that I was going to try and pair up black with black and red with red, but that cable down there is super dusty and this cable's fresh, so I'm not going to mix match right now. Perfect. You win. Perfect. Now this right here may test my patience. Because this is from a budget power station, because the Bullbat's cable polarity doesn't work with what I got going on. And they say there's no standard way to wire an MC4 cable, and I say, well, you should have wired it the way that I needed it, the way that most people need it. Ooh, easy peasy lemon squeezy. One more? I'm gonna need two hands for that. Boom! Man, I'm crushing it today. No problems. Now I'm gonna have to pull more of this cable out. I think maybe I'll just kind of leave it right there as long as it is, instead of pulling it the exact same length as the other one. Actually, you know what? I was about to say that I have this longer, I'll just show you. So I have this longer 5521 cable on my sun power panel, and I've been wanting to take this off for a while because I feel like I could better use it. Will I do it though? Let me think about that. I'll get back to you. I do think that putting this longer cable on the Bullbat, right, will kind of give me a similar situation as the EB120, which has this slightly longer cable. So then I could bring this MC4 cable at pretty much the same length as this is, and then it will still have pretty similar freedom. Should I do it? I think I'm gonna do it. Since I'm down here, might as well get it done. Now I'm definitely gonna need these tools for this one, for sure, because this panel has an MC4 port that locks in place. This one right here is guarded. I don't know why they did this on this SunPower cell, but you have to use a tool or some type of device to get this out of here. That's so stupid. That's probably why I've been hesitating, right? Actually, I just changed my mind. I would much rather have this panel have a little bit of length on it than have it only have like pretty much nothing on it, because then I'm bound to not use it. So I'm going to keep this longer cable on here. Because I have an extension cable here, it's not as big a deal that I have a longer MC4 cable. So I'm gonna let this live. All right, so shorty doo-wop it is. Actually, I'm gonna straighten these cables out first before I do this. To clarify, I'm not gonna straighten them out. I'm gonna detangle them. I want one and one, not red over black over red over black, because that's gonna happen over time anyway on the outside. So let me try and get this together. It looks pretty good though. This is gonna be really confusing. That's why I was thinking about having a black and black and a red and red. Shoot. I may still do that at some point so I can know which panel cable is which, because this is not no bueno. But I'll deal with that for another day. Okay, I found my preferred length for now. That's where it's gonna sit. And I'm gonna just put one of these bottles of water on here so it doesn't move anymore. I still got to pull it out a little bit. Looking in the mirror like, there it is there. Yeah, there it is there, man. Now, let's talk about the reason why I felt kind of compelled to do this sooner than later. We have not had like any real winter activity, but once we do, our car is coming in this garage. And it's not a big garage. It's by no means the smallest, but the car that we have right now is a pretty tight fit. I don't want to have to squeeze through here all the time to get to a power station here to like charge my other power stations. So I'm glad I'm able to move that into the basement. All right, let's plug her up.
15 whole watts.
All right, this would be a good example of the kind of videos that I will put on the Patreon page. It's like the super casual, they're not really search related or whatever, but it's a nice experience video. It's kind of a bit of a how I work with these power stations and being strategic and, you know, changing things around. So if y'all into that, hit up the Patreon. You feel me?